Hello guys and welcome back in this new video on our C++ series where we're going to learn how you can use the command line interface on Windows. So for that we're going to use our Notepad application. You should have it installed by default, or you can install it if you don't have it on your computer. So if you have a computer that doesn't have enough resources to support a code like IDE, you can use that option. Okay, so we're going to come on our notepad and just going to write our code again. So the main difference is we are not going to be able to have some correction or so on because it's not a IDE, a professional IDE. IO stream. I'm not going to use the namespace standard on top. In this case, I'm going to provide the standard option every time that we need it in front of a comment. Okay, so let's write our main function quickly. Standard double colon cout. So hello, I'm going to say hello my command line, hello my Windows command line, standard again, end line, and we should return 0. So you can see that you have to write everything. Okay, nothing is automatic here, but it's fine. Okay, so we have our include iostream, and we have our function that we're going to use to display hello my Windows command line. Okay, so we are using standard before all the comment because we didn't define it on the head. Okay, so it's a good practice for some kind of code because sometimes when you declare it, it's not everything that need to have to use that standard, that namespace standard. Okay, so once I finish to write my code, okay, I just going to come on file here on save as, and I will provide a name to my to my file because normally it should be on TST extension. So we're going to change it to CPP extension, and I'm going to provide a name. Okay, so I'm going to say CMD Windows. Okay, I'm going to call it CMD Windows dash CPP. Okay, so right now I'm good. I'm going to open my command prompt now. When I open my command prompt, you can see that I'm not in my desktop directory because normally my folder is that one. Okay, so I have to access that folder quickly. Okay, so for that it's easy, it's pretty easy. I'm just going to use the cd command, that means change directory, desktop, and here I'm going to make again cd for c for cpp. Tab key help me to fill up quickly. Right now I have this. If I'm running dir, you can see that I'm going to have my windows.cpp over there. Okay, so what should we do now? We're going to compile our code in order to be able, in order to make it executable, to create the executable, in order to create the executable file. Okay, so for that you're gonna run this command in order to execute it, and you're always going to make sure that you already install your compiler uh, first. You remember in the previous episode we have installed our compiler, so make sure that you watch this episode if you didn't watch it yet, if you didn't have your compiler yet. So the one that you are using now is uh, uh, the one that we have installed. So I'm just going to run this command g++ hyphen w in uppercase all space thunder equal c++ 14. Oh, sorry, I did a mistake. You should write this, and you should add the name of your cpp file. Okay, I'm calling mine here cmd. You can call it main if you want as well, so you can call it what you want. So all right, perfect. No response means good response. Okay, so no answer means good answer. So now we should be good. If I list the content again now using dir, you're going to see that we have that executable file a that have been created. So if I'm running a enter, you see that I have my command line that is executed, that is executing. You can see that I have my command line that is display hello my Windows command line. You see, it's just awesome. Let's clear this page quickly, and let's say that you don't want your executable file name a. You want him you want him name maybe a man. Okay, for that you're going to run the g++ hyphen w all hyphen standard equal c++ 14. The name of our default file, our default cpp file, space hyphen o space the name that I want to provide to my main.exe. If I list again now, you can see that I have main.exe right now, right? And you can see if I run main, I have the same output. Hello, my Windows command line. Awesome. Thank you for watching until the end. If you have learned something new, give a thumbs up, subscribe, and see you on the next video. Bye.